Jana Ray with Remax Real Estate Center, here to introduce my newest listing at 3338 King Street in Vineland, the heart of wine country. I can't wait to show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome backing onto a conservation. Let's check it out. The wow factor of this property really is the backyard. While it may not look like it, it is April and summer is coming, and this private outdoor oasis is ready for you. That completes our property tour for today. And if you want more information on 3338 King Street, reach out to me direct or visit my website.